Hey everybody, how's it going? So we've had kind of some nasty weather here in Colorado, a freak blizzard that came out of nowhere, and also a lot of people were stuck inside. Um, but it gave me a little bit of time to work on this piece or finish this piece that I've been trying to get ready for my sluice box, the header piece here. So I've had a few different designs for it, and it just never really worked well. This one's doing great. It was only like 15 bucks total to make the whole thing, and they're usually like at least a couple $100. So, um, really a video just for viewing, but also it's going to go on YouTube as well. And I know a lot of prospectors and lapidaries out there that are always looking for different odds and ends for their recirculating equipment during the winter or whatever. So I went ahead and made one, and it's working great. I'm just going to show you here. So it's all, like I said, recirculating in the box. Comes up through hoses just on a single pump. And here is the header box, the main purpose really, I guess, for the video. But it's a couple pieces of sheet metal from Home Depot, and I just cut them down with a grinder wheel to size to fit in, and I set it way back. I mean, this sluice is excellent. I can take it in the woods, any creek, whatever, and use it. I did have to sacrifice a couple holes on the end to hold it in properly, and I just used a little piece of copper. This is all trial and error, really, trying to figure out what works best. But this one's working better than any other one I've had, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But I wanted more water flow, so I ran it up on 2 hoses into the back here, and into the back there, and I used I guess a marine adhesive sealant for boats, and just to seal the edges. Just thought it would work well. I don't know if there's something better to use, but that it's working great right now. So we run it down, and I've already got a bunch of material that's already classified out, and we'll go ahead and show you how it works. Typically I just run it through the crusher here, any material I might find, and then run it through the sluice, and I can pan it here at the little pan station, and then I run it through the blue bowl concentrator for the microfine. So basically the header box, it's super easy, just cutting it down to size to fit your sluice, and the top here is just a separate piece, and I use that marine adhesive to seal the corners, bolt it in, and I just flapped it over, and this holds it down. And I like this as well because I can also adjust this. So if I'm not liking the water flow out of the bottom here, then I can adjust that down or up or whatever, and it helps hold it stable. So I'll go ahead and turn it on and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I've turned it on here, and hopefully you can hear me well, but it's keeping that water flow nice and even out of the header here. And it's running perfectly down, especially on the bottom 3. Like I said, it's kind of a trial and error to see what works best, and work with it from there, and kind of making some adjustments still. But this is the best design. It's super easy to do, and it's producing really well also. So just all running down and out. You can see some of my little mechanisms that I'm testing out here, but it just runs into a big tote there, and I have a bucket to feed out any of the nasty material, and it's recirculating back up and through. So also that's connected to it is the blue bowl, It's not running right now, but we'll go ahead and feed it. There's some minor adjustments I can do on the water flow, but overall it seems to be feeding really nice. You know, you want to be able to keep feeding it, so and not everything built up in the front. But yeah, so it's going great. Also underneath, what I did is I put a single sticky, it's like a rubber that has a single side that's adhesive. And I stuck that on the bottom before I mounted this, which is easily removable, so I can take this off, take my sluice box into the woods, wherever I want to go, and it works perfectly. So, but anybody on YouTube that I put this on, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll show you how I did it. It's super easy, and it seems like the best design that I'm finding to make your own. So, yeah, but I hope you like it, and hopefully a video soon on showing what I get out of it. All right.